Welcome to our YouTube channel where we explore the wonderful world of herbs and plants. Today we're going to dive into the fascinating world of Italian parsley. Join us as we discover its history, unique characteristics, growing conditions, companion planting, and various culinary uses. Italian parsley is an aromatic herb that is widely used in Mediterranean cuisine. It has a rich history dating back to ancient times where it was revered for both its culinary and medicinal properties. Growing Italian parsley is relatively easy, making it a great addition to any herb garden. It thrives in well-drained soil and requires full sun to partial shade. Italian parsley is a biennial herb, meaning it completes its life cycle over 2 years. However, most gardeners treat it as an annual, replanting it each year for fresh harvest. Companion planting with Italian parsley can benefit neighboring plants. It attracts beneficial insects like hoverflies and parasitic wasps, which help control garden pests. Planting it alongside vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and carrots can promote healthy growth and deter certain pests. Italian parsley is renowned for its culinary uses. Its fresh, vibrant flavor adds depth and brightness to a variety of dishes. It is commonly used as a garnish, added to salads, soups, stews, and sauces. The leaves can be chopped and sprinkled over pasta dishes or mixed into marinades and dressings. Apart from its culinary uses, Italian parsley also offers numerous health benefits. It is a rich source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and potassium. It is known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It may support healthy digestion and immune function. And there you have it, Italian parsley, a versatile herb that not only enhances the flavors of your dishes, but also provides a range of health benefits. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting herb profiles and tips for growing your own culinary garden. Happy gardening and cooking.